Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, let's talk about the Phala App 2.0 and also the Phala staking. I'm going to show you my findings about how to get the Phala and how to stake the Phala. So first of all, Phala, today they make some very exciting announcement about the new 2.0 version of the Phala app. This will be out soon. It's not there yet, but they are doing the internal test. The new version will have some new UI, and I asked the team. They told me they plan to launch in 2 to 3 weeks. So there will be more information shared in Twitter. So we need to check the Twitter more often. This is really good news because they have a new UI design and also support for stake pool version 2 and vote. So the Phala app 2.0, they have some new functions. And the function, for example, in the stake pool version 2, this is the app, the new app UI. You can see that it looks much better than the current app, and also they have the delegation NFTization. So they looks like they kind of use the NFT for this delegation. So I don't know the details yet. It looks quite interesting how they will use an NFT for this delegation. So let's wait for some more details in the future from the team. The second one is automatic compound interest. This would be good because when you delegate, you want the compound interest. So basically you will earn more rewards, right, by doing that. So they will add that feature. And also they have a wrapped balance. This wrapped balance is basically for the governance. Like if you want to participate in the governance and now you delegate that, you cannot because your token is not on your wallet anymore. So they use this wrapped balance to solve this problem. And this one looks like they make it so it will not impact your app interface. And the user as us, we don't need to actually do anything. So maybe we didn't need to check the detail how it works. It basically just have the function. You can still vote. And then the vote, the new module that will maximize delegators' return. And this one is quite common in the DeFi. And here's a picture how they make it happen. So the user, they have some Phala and they can use a wrapped balance. So now you will get the W Phala. It's a wrapped balance of your Phala token. Now with this wrapped Phala, you have different ways you can go through the vote. Basically, you delegate that to the vote, and the vote will stake, or you can delegate to the stake pool. So let's wait for some additional announcement, and we will definitely show you how to use the new app. Now let's take a look at how we can get the Phala using the DeFi. So first of all, I explore the Solar Beam. This one you can swap to the XC Phala, but the price impact is too high, so it's not possible to do that. Second, I also explored the Stellar swap, but I didn't find the Phala token there yet. And so now let's take a look at some other DeFi, maybe still in Sama. Parallel Heckle. So this one I know it works. I tried that before. So you can go to the Heckle and do the swap. So I'm going to swap 1 KSM and I'm going to get 192 Phala. And then there's a cross chain. I can cross chain send it from Parallel Heckle to the Kana, and it would just need a little bit of fee. It's a 0.18 Heckle, not too much. So I'm going to do the cross chain. Now the other option would be the Karura. So Karura, you can bridge some KSM. So I'm going to bridge 1 KSM, and now I will just do the swap 1 KSM to the Phala. And then as you can see it here on the Karura, you can get a little bit more Phala token, not much, 195 or 196. And the fees, they are quite similar, but here the trading fee, you need the KSM and also the KR. And so I would say just a little bit different, but yeah, almost the same. And then you can do the cross-chain, bridge it to the Cardano as well. And now on the Phala app, you will see like all the Phala I have. There's a delegate. This is the old app. And you can delegate on the old app. The APY or the APR is quite high still, so you can find the pool with APR like you like, and then you can delegate the Phala. And now the banners, you can see that like I already delegate most of them, and then you can claim later on. So this is basically how you can swap and get the Phala using DeFi in .summer. In summary, there will be 2 different ways. Right now it's working. There could be more ways to swap Parallel Heiko and the Karura. So those 2 you can try. The amount of Phala you will get is quite similar, and the fees is also cheap for both of them. And I also demo how to do the cross-chain and also the staking. So if you do have the token, you can do the staking, which is quite nice, the APY. And so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.